Hey guys, welcome back. This is Anya. Recently, there have some guys leave me message that is, hey Anya, I didn't saw the JK BMS problem video update. The answer that is, recently we all build the BMS into the battery pack, which means when customer buy the DIY box kits from us, and we will build the lithium iron phosphate battery cell inside the battery pack and then deliver it to them. It is free cost, no extra cost for it. The reason why we do this process, that is, in our factory, if we fully assembled the DIY box kit, and we will turn on the BMS to check each parallel if they have problem with the JK BMS with the other components. If we found the problem, then we will replace the problem of JK BMS with the JK manufacturer directly. So in China, we already fixed this problem that won't cause the other problem to customers. Consider the after-sales service for JK BMS mostly is the similar problem, and we collect together that is can solve in our factory. In this situation, assemble well the DIY box with the battery cell inside will save almost 80% of the problem. That is also cost-effective way for us, because if a BMS go wrong, go problem at USA, at Europe, we need to send a new one to customer. The cost all bill at our side. So to build all parts into the DIY box is the win-win service. So how do you think about it? If you need the DIY box with the vertical and the stackable from the StarMax and with the free assemble service, please contact with us freely. And some guys will ask, what is the difference for your 16 kilowatt-hour Xinhong brand lithium iron phosphate battery pack with the DIY box kit include the 314 ampere-hour battery cell fully assembled? What is the difference? The difference, that is the warranty. For the DIY box kits, we offer that is the 1 year's warranty. That is included the BMS. If 1 year they have the BMS go problem, then it is out of the warranty service. Like the circuit breaker, it's broken after 1 year. You need to buy your own to make the replacement. But for the 16 kilowatt-hour with our Xinhong brand, it with 5 years warranty for the whole pack, including the BMS, including circuit breaker, including bus bar, all the components is included for 5 years warranty issue. And how about the battery cell for the DIY kits? Battery cell for the brand new grade A cell, we offer 5 years warranty. There's no problem for the battery cell's warranty. So in this situation, one is the DIY kit plus the 314 ampere-hour with fully assembled. The cost will be a little bit lower than with the Xinhong brand 16 kilowatt-hour. Which one you like to prefer. And thank you for you guys watching. This is Anya. See you in this video. Bye bye.